My name is Alexander. I'm Kara. I'm the president and CEO of NKT AS, a cable company which is headquartered in Denmark. We are active we are producing cables, and particularly we are in the high voltage area, sea cables for interconnectors, offshore wind, but also on the land. So what we are doing here in India is we are expanding our operations and in Chennai, here in Tamil Nadu, and make use of the large talent pool what you have here in Tamil Nadu from number of engineers in the colleges and IIT. So we build up our operation center here in Chennai, but we have also a center in Mumbai for engineering, and also an assembling center in Gurgaon, south of Delhi, where we assemble accessories, which is a part of cables which you need when you install cables. So the global cable market is booming, driven by the green transformation in Europe, in North America, but also in Asia and India in particular. And India has big plans on the renewable energy. 500 gigawatt was communicated from the government. Out of the 160 on wind, onshore and offshore, and 60 offshore wind. And we can deliver these high-end cables. Of course, we are looking forward that these plans happen. And here in Tamil Nadu, you have a good area for wind, offshore wind, which is blowing, which is the basis for good utilization of wind turbines. So we are eager to see that these projects which are in the pipeline and plan will materialize.
I think that's fine.
Was that okay?
Yeah, that's wonderful.
Okay.
But let me also thank Alexander Kara for really coming here to Tamil Nadu. Even though we lived here, but it was in a different capacity. But to see a Danish company like NKT coming to Chennai, and also to dig into the green opportunities of India, I think that's fantastic, and we have to praise them for doing that. I have always been looking for the missing link, how to, from a political level, from a diplomatic level, how to make things moving here in India, and then to see things on ground. And now I found why I was not able to find the answer to it, because I didn't know Alexander Kara. And he told me that cabling is so important that you can do nothing if you don't have cables. So this is the enablers, those who are building the bridges and so forth. On a more serious note, I would say what you are doing is really fantastic, and the technology that you have, and the fact that you were jumping into the talent pool of India is really fantastic. We have seen, I'm almost here every month, or sometimes twice a month, to inaugurate whatever Danish company is setting up down here, but also to support whatever business activity that can be centered around Tamil Nadu. So I think what NKT is bringing to the table, so to say, is so important for the green energy transition of India. I've said it many times before, there's no way for the world really to cope with the climate changes or the energy crisis. Now we have geopolitical issues on top of all the other issues, and therefore it's so important that we have a company who is sustainable, who's looking into environmentally friendly solutions and providing the cabling, which is enabling all of us who are dreamers, but not engineers, that we can have green, sustainable future. So the 5 S's: skill of Denmark, here NKT, scale of India, the need for energy, the way in which India is growing, speed, because it's important to move fast for climate change and the SDGs, and scope. We have to inspire the rest of the world, and sustainability. And I always conclude whatever I'm saying, and you might be bored by it, but we have to be good, great, and green. And this company is the 5 S's and the combination of the GGs. So I would like to praise Alexander and his team for really coming to Tamil Nadu, believing in India, but also coming here and enabling all of us for a better, greener, sustainable future. Thank you very much.